Viskou.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the Viskou YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to set up the temporary pass set system that is available within the Hik-Connect team. This temporary pass allows you to give access to any potential visitors by allowing certain biometrics or parameters, which allows that very visitor to pass through any access point and even through a barricade with the appropriate setup. So first of all, I want you first to ensure that any device that you want to set up is within the Hik-Connect team. Like for example, currently I'm using the K1T342MFX terminal, as it can also utilize the QR function and also the NPR camera TCG46E to allow temporary vehicle access. So now to set up, go to the access control tab here. Now in the access control section, go to the temporary pass management here, and here click on the add to set up your temporary pass. And here there are several options that you can manage that you need to fill and also need to fill in to complete the temporary pass setup. For example, you need to set up a name. I'll set up to tempo, and then for access granting, you can set it up to grant either directly to any access point, or you can set up to give access to any access level that you want, which may include multiple doors and access point. For now, I'll set up to give access to the level 1, and then here you can also set up the number of passes it can allow. I'll set up to 50, and then for vehicle you can also set it up to allow the ANPR camera to give access to a vehicle. I will select this camera, and then I will also enter demo plate that I will use to show you the function. Click save, and then you can also set up the validity period where the pass is valid to be used. I'll set up for almost a week, and you can also put in a note so that the admin can see what parts of the temporary pass may involve with. After setting up your trip, click OK to finish your setup. Okay, now after the setup, you can see that the temporary pass has been set up, and you can see the Hik-Connect team has already generated a PIN code for the user. The Hik-Connect team also has generated a QR code that you can use to download and share to your visitors so that they can scan on the terminal. You can see that the license plate number is also visible here, and the status information setup has been cleared and ready to use. So now we're going to the demo part of the video and show you how the temporary pass works.
Before we proceed, we can also set up the temporary pass directly through the Hik-Connect Team mobile app. Similarly, just go to the temporary pass tab here and then click add, and then similar as the desktop one, you just need to set up your details, and then you can also be able to generate a temporary pass directly from here. So now, with our PIN configured, we can use it as a temporary pass to give access ourselves. Now, I will show you how by clicking on the keypad button and entering the PIN. We can unlock this very access point.
Thank you.
And now this access point is unlocked. And as mentioned before, we can use this QR code that has been provided by the Hik-Connect team system to also unlock the access point. Just click on the QR read button.
Thank you.
And then using the QR, we have also unlocked this access point.
And then for the temporary pass for the vehicle access, you can check under the NPR tab here, and you can select the camera that you have set to use with the temporary pass. And as you can see, the license plate that have been registered under the temporary pass has been allowed access under the lane in which this particular camera has been in charge of. So the visitor with the temporary pass with this particular vehicle can access it without any issues. So I think that's all for the video. I hope that this tutorial may help you set up your own temporary pass system under the Hik-Connect theme app- application. Please subscribe to the Viskou YouTube channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Viskou.